welcome back to the Dash channel, or welcome to the Dash channel. If you are new here, my name is Armani. My channel focuses on beauty, inspiration, and lifestyle. So we have another hair review for you guys today. It is by Hermosa Hair. So we'll get into what they sent us over. They sent us over a few goodies. So they sent us over some beautiful lashes, a stocking cap that we must have, and a wig band to make sure our wig is laid in place. So I'm going to show you guys the unit that they sent us over. I'm excited because I love curly hair. Curly hair can be worn all year round, and it is fall. So y'all see I got my brown on for fall. But this is the beautiful unit. Look at those waves, y'all. I can't wait to put this unit on and to install it with you guys. And here is the lace. So this is a 5x5. And we're getting ready to install it. So keep watching if you want to see how this unit will be installed.
All single ladies, now put your hands up in the club, just broke up, I'm doing my own little thing. You decided to dip, and now you want a trip, cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him, he up on me, don't pay him any attention. Never cried my tears, in 3 good years, kids can't be mad at me. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad what you see that he want it.
straighten up my part off camera, but I didn't put anything on it. I just straightened it up. I'm going to put some wax on it right now. I love curly hair on me. It's like my favorite style. This wig itself is beautiful. I love this unit. I love 5x5s. So I haven't wet the hair or anything yet, but as you guys can see, the natural curl pattern to this hair is beautiful. So I'm gonna put some wax on my hair just to lay my part down so you guys can see that my part already exists without me putting anything on it. And so I'm gonna go ahead and wet this unit. I really like the natural state. I don't want to wet the unit, but I'm thinking about wetting the unit so you guys can see the difference. But it's definitely giving what it needs to give. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. I'm feeling the hair and the length. I'm gonna sit back a little bit so you guys can see how long the hair is on me. It's definitely long. Okay, so I'm gonna wet the hair, but I'm gonna finger comb it with my hand so I don't mess up the curl pattern. So let's wet the hair. I'm gonna add some water and I'll be right back.
All single ladies, now put your hands up in the club, just broke up. I'm doing my own little thing. You decided to dip, and now you want a trip, 'cause another brother noticed.
So this is dry and this is wet. Dry is definitely life. In the comments. I love the hair. Your baby hairs will be your discretion, but overall I rate this hair a 10 out of 10. I love 5x5s. They're easy to install. 5x5s are very beginner friendly units, and I'm ready to go on the town.
All single ladies,